Nike Sportswear keeps the momentum going with a fresh take on the classic Air Force 1 Low, reimagining the timeless silhouette in new and refined colorways. Just ahead of summer, Bruce Kilgore's iconic design returns in a sleek light bone, summit white, and light armory blue makeup. This version features the '07 LV8 build, bringing back the early 2000s shape and materials that marked the Air Force One's 25th anniversary celebration. It stays truer to the original blueprint than typical general releases. A mix of textures defines the upper, with suede covering the forefoot, tongue, and heel, contrasting against smooth leather overlays. Light Armory Blue accents energize the swooshes, laces, and collar area, while the rest of the upper leans into soft neutrals. The classic sole unit rounds out the look with a clean, two-tone finish that pays tribute to decades of AF1 history. Expect the Air Force 1 Low Light Armory Blue to hit Nike.com and select retailers by the end of summer.